5 beauty hacks with olive oil? That's amazing! Hey guys, this is Jen of All Trades. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. And today we are doing something exciting that I've been wanting to do for a while. So this is my 5 tips beauty hacks for olive oil. Olive oil is a very good product. It's something that most people have in their homes already, which is why I love it. It's super easy, super inexpensive, and something that I use like every day. And these are 5 ways that you can use them as well. So just to give you an idea of some of the other things, if you didn't already know, olive oil is rich in anti-aging antioxidants, okay? It has full of vitamin E and oleic acids. These acids help with cell regeneration and prevents premature aging, wrinkles, and maintaining firm skin. So overall, it's a really good anti-aging product in itself. It's one of those natural cures that a lot of people probably don't know about, or you wouldn't think to use in this way. Without further ado, let's get started. The very first beauty hack with olive oil is a DIY lip scrub. For this, you are going to need 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, or if you don't have brown sugar, you can use regular sugar. You need 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and lastly, you need 1 teaspoon of honey. This is mostly just for flavoring, and it does not have to be the raw organic kind that I have. It can be any honey. It works the same. So you just dump that in your bowl all together and mix it well. It kind of makes like this really thick, pasty type stuff. So this is what it looks like. Beautiful. And then to put it on, just literally just dab a little bit, and then you're gonna rub in small little circles on your lips, and make sure you scrub it on real good, and this will get your lips super soft. The benefit with this is it is so sweet, and it's literally all edible, all natural stuff, so it's good for you and it tastes good on your lips. So super easy, wipe it off, and super soft. The next olive oil beauty hack is an eyelash booster. So all you do for this is you need an empty or an old mascara bottle or tube. Once it's empty, you can just put a few drops of olive oil in it. I'm just pouring it in. I did kind of overfill it, but that's okay. Just put in as much as you can into the tube. There you go. I kind of made a little mess, but you mix it up well. Now just clean it off with a little bit of toilet paper, because why not? Shaking didn't really do a whole lot. I just kind of pump it like that, and it works pretty good. But you put this on every night before bed, and it will help your eyelashes grow. For this next one, all you do is put it on after you get out of the shower when your skin is still damp, and use it as a moisturizer. This also helps with the anti-aging properties and keeps your skin nice and firm and hydrated. This next one is my absolute favorite and literally all I use for this. It is a makeup remover. You just dab a little bit on a cloth or a Q-tip and wipe the makeup right off. Super easy, yes. And finally, the last one is you keep your olive oil in a small container in the fridge and use the cold olive oil on your eyes every night or whenever as an eye cream. This also helps with dark circles and puffiness around your eyes, as well as the anti-aging properties, just like any other eye cream without the expense. So another great use for olive oil. Well, I hope that you enjoyed those tips as much as I do. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I will be happy to answer any questions that you might have regarding these tips. Or if you have any other tips regarding olive oil, let me know and I can always do a video on that. I do have some more beauty tips and tricks for different products coming up as well, so keep an eye out for that on my channel. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and you thought it was helpful, and subscribe for more awesome videos. And yep, so I will see you on my next one. Okay, bye.